Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. To check which version of Selenium is installed, you can use Python and the Selenium module. Here's a step-by-step tutorial with code examples. Ensure you have Selenium installed. If not, you can install it using the following command. Create a Python script, example check _selenium_version.py, and use the following code to check the Selenium version. Save the script and run it using the following command in the terminal. You can also check the Selenium version directly from the Python interpreter or a Jupyter notebook by executing the following commands. This tutorial provides a simple and quick way to check the installed Selenium version using Python code. Keep in mind that you might want to check the Selenium version to ensure compatibility with your WebDriver or to determine if an upgrade is necessary for new features or bug fixes. ChatGPT.